Let's introduce how to operate this instrument. Auto OTDR and expert OTDR are used to test the length, loss, and fault point of the optical fiber and cable. The common test modes are automatic test and expert test. If you don't know about the tested fiber, choose the auto OTDR. Just select the wavelength and click Auto Test. When the length of the measured fiber is known, we can select Average Test. Average Test, also known as Expert Test mode, requires two setting parameters. The measurement range should be 1.5 to 2 times larger than the measured optical fiber distance. Now, the length of the measured optical fiber is 2 kilometers. It's 1.5 times is 3 kilometers, so the test range is set as 4 kilometers. The pulse width is set at the default value or larger value. The longer the measurement time is, the better the tested effect is. Select the default value for other parameters. When the test is completed, a list of events is generated in the event list. Type refers to the type of current event, including rising event, falling event, optical fiber starting point and ending point, and so on. Distance is the location of the current event. Section refers to the distance between two event points. Loss refers to the loss caused by the current event itself. Total loss is the cumulative loss from the starting point to the current event point. Average loss refers to the loss per kilometer from the starting point to the current event point. Return means reflection loss of the current event itself. You can also zoom in and zoom out the curve and save the curve. Event map is to graphically display the test curve of OTDR. You can use either automatic test mode or average test mode. VFL function is used to find the fault point of short distance optical fiber. Optical power meter is used to measure the energy of the optical signal in the fiber link and test. And the loss of optical fiber is tested in combination with the laser source. Optical loss test is used to test insertion loss of passive devices. Network cable sequence, length, and tracking are used for RJ45 network cable. When testing, you need to connect the specified port. Cable sequence. One end of the network cable is connected to the instrument, and the other end is connected to the remote module at the bottom of the instrument. And test. Length test. One end of the network cable is connected to the instrument, and the other is not connected to anything. And test. In tracking test, one end of the network cable is connected to the instrument, and the other end is not connected to anything. Use the cable tracker. When the cable tracker makes a drop sound, the same network's cable is found. That's all.